think. Yep. Finally, I'm on the live. So everything's look like okay, I think. Yep. So in this video, I'm gonna be solving the escape from HackTheBox with guided modes. So as a new feature on the HackTheBox is guided mode. So sometimes maybe you get stuck on this machine. When solving they have maybe there is some rabbit hole for you. So HackTheBox is giving us a here really experience and they're really cool. And we can actually support it with the guided mode. So for example, it's just for to be for sure it's a retired machine. It's because I think they don't want to be handled up on the competitive on this season and active machines. So this is just gonna be work for easy and Windows. Easy and medium to retired machine on HackTheBox. So I think it's really cool. It's showing us here the way how we can actually to definitely how we can actually here to be handle up to here. So I love your videos. I thank you, man. I appreciate it. So we are doing escape from HackTheBox today with guided mode. So let's just jump in. So we have here IP addresses. So adventure mode is what you're actually doing is to be before. So just have IP addresses and hack these old machines around user and root and get user and root flag and just submit it here. But the guided mode is just showing us some way. So let's get started. So it's just giving our to be IP addresses and asking for the first question is what is domain name of escape as enumerated for LDAP service. So to be understanding it, you have to be starting here mmap. So let's check it out here. Hint, and yeah, it says start enumerating host with mmap the HSCV. To options will provide information such as this. Hi bro, how you doing? How you doing, man? I'm doing fine. I'm trying to be solving guided mode from HackTheBox. So it will be great for some who is starting new on the Active Directory hacking. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this right now. So let's get started here with mmap scan. So I already started here and give it here -sv for enumerate version and -d4. So for this scan is to be open ports and -vv for double verbose. To my to mmap scan as result it's over here. So let's save it on my notes. Let's see. I'm gonna be giving here nano. I will be using here pseudo text as always, notes.txt, and now we saw here for the first questions is SQL.htp, and you will be see here on this LDAP. Where is it? Yeah, it's over here LDAP, and then the domain name is SQL.htp. Yeah, that's correct. So now we have access for task 2, and then what is the name of not star.smb share on ASCAP? So it's something says or you have to be go for the SMB on this right now. And before they do this, let's start to be analyze or mmap scan. So we saw here's a different port is MS SQL on port of 1432, and it will be useful I think for us. So let's try to be do it. Alright, so there's just SMB and LDAP to other ports which one are open. So let's do first crack map. Oh, I'm not into 80 things, but I like your web challenge videos and I will watch that too. So actually I am thinking, yeah, actually I'm thinking nowadays I have to be doing web challenge on my to be stream. I love web pen testing. Okay, so I love Active Directory mostly, web pen testing, reverse engineering and something like that. So then after that I think I'm so free nowadays and I think I can do web pen testing on my live stream. Kolay gelsin kanka. Teşekkürler. So let's first learning what is this domain controller and name. It's over here crack map exec SMB and no. So for sure. So we need to be go here first and then let's copy it and the crack map exec no crack map exec smb, and then let's give this. Yeah, it's giving us here for domain name it's sql.htp, and for the domain controller it's giving us has here is dc. So let's add them on our etc host file directly. Gonna be go here, and then let's give this is first one is sql.htp and dc sql.htp. Okay, so let's save them and then let's continue. Will not. Great, just waiting for thanks. Thank you man. Woolnap lablar nasıl kanka, önerir misin? Para öderim hadi için. Yani bence ucuz zaten Woolnap. Şöyle göstereyim hemen. Patreon'u kullanabilirsin mesela, işte aylık bu kadar verip veya 90 günlük alabilirsin bir defalığına. Zaten çok fazla lab ve makine yok içeride ama kesinlikle AD için öneririm yani. Özellikle OSCP'ye falan hazırlananlar varsa bence en iyisi gidip biraz para verip buna OSCP'yi yani netleştirmek, yani kesin alırsın. Yani buradaki kolay ve medium, yani easy ve medium labları çözersen bence kesin alırsın OSCP. Çünkü bunları çözdükten sonra işte piece of cake gibi gelir sana. Ben o düşüncedeyim açıkçası. Çünkü buradaki labları oluşturan kişi yani XCT sonuçta 7 sene falan şeyde çalıştı. OffSec'te çalıştı OSCP makinesi hazırlamak için. Yani şeyler kalmıştır diye düşünüyorum. Right. Alright, so let's continue here for the task 2. It says, what is name of non-standard SMB shares on Escape? So let's go for a hint here. So it says use tool like NetExec SMB client or SMB mmap to enumerate here. So I think we can do here directly SMB client -l and sql.htp. And then we saw here is an admin see the IPC net log in a system wall is look like an the standard the standard machine is here. It's a standard share on SMB. But if we can check it here, the public it's over here, so it's not the standard that's here, right? So I think we can continue here. So let's try to be access here public. We'll do public. And then let's go, if we have access, then yes, we have an access here, and we saw SQL Server procedures and PDF. So let's try to get it with get. Does it look like it's not work? So need to be work like that maybe. Okay. So I will be do mgl. Yes. All right. So I will be do here exit. And yes, we haven't access right now on SQL Services procedures. HackTheBox'ın insane öneriyorlar OSCP için. HackTheBox'taki insane makineleri mi öneriyorlar? Bence öyle bir şey yoktur yani. So let's go for this PDF file. So and we actually get it here with a public. Right, so this question is asked, so we can continue with task 3, and it says, what is the password for public user on MS SQL? So we need to be working here with MS SQL, but we are just getting here this PDF file. So actually let's try to be open. So I'm gonna be go here as a documents, and then it's here escape and open a folder, and there is an SQL Server procedures. So we have this right now, this PDF file. And it says, since last year we got quite accidents with our SQL services. Looking at your line, so we got here to be username. So those are really important when you're doing red team. So the put instant on DC. So Tom decided, so another username is over here. So I will be add them on my notes. Okay, so nano users.txt. We got first is Ryan, second one is Tom. And the third one maybe is the fourth one here. So let's check it out. So is use SQL management specifying Windows authentication here. Server name field input server name. That's right. And so if any problem arises, and it's please send mail to Brandon. So we got new username actually, and let's see. So it's giving us some CMDK, but it's just for accessing from non-domain joined machine, right? So the bonuses here for new hired and those that are still waiting for user created perms and assigned can sneak peek in database with user public user, and the password is get user can write one. So and we are basically understand we have it here as a password. So it was guess user can write one. So let's save it here. We are creating our user list. So let's check it out. What is password for the public user on MS SQL? So we need to be try here crack map exec again, and I will be use MS SQL. It's because it's giving a protocol as here, like here, and let's copy the IP addresses and then -e users.txt, and for the password -p. I will be use which one we got it from the PDF file. So I will be GUI here, and then let's check it which one is working. So as you can see here is a login failure for all is right now. It's because try as and guess, right? So let's checking with this in SMB, and maybe it's gonna be work. Then we can continue what we can do here. So we need to be do here -- continue on success. So it will be given here for everyone is the same, I think. Yes, it's because we have an access on here. So what is password public user? So I'm gonna be try here MSS client, not this one. So yeah, we can use it like that. So let's add it here sql.htp, and for password, so let's try his. For the username, let's use public user, and then we need to be change this with sql.htp, and then let's see. So encryption is required, and it's look like it's not work right now. As it look like it's need to be work as he can say. So what it says for him, and SMB a bit more it's what's there. So we need to be checking here SMB as it says. So crack map exec SMB and -- shares. I want to be check it. Yeah. So let's try with public user. I like your videos, can you mentor me? Yeah, for sure, you can add me on Discord. I'm always online at Discord. So let me give you my Discord name. It's over here. So let me check it if it's correct. Wait a minute. Okay. Where's my Discord? It's here. So let me first. Yes, this one is correct. Okay. Right. Do you think which university is better on computer engineering? Bozici or Otto? I'm confused right now. I don't know. But I'm definitely I can say if you yeah, it's a different topic, right? I think if you will live in Istanbul, you will get too much thing. So I don't know how can I don't know how can I actually talk about it, and I don't know how can I explain. But Istanbul is better than Ankara. So I'm living in Ankara. So with Ankara is like yeah, we have too many options, but not like Istanbul. the ODD is the best place at Ankara, but there is no many company and at Ankara. So for example, the best company in Turkey is Trendyol, İş Bankası, Halkbank is something like where. So you need to be go for Istanbul for it. But I don't know. So I have no idea which one is better, Boğaziçi or ODTÜ. Yeah, I live in ODTÜ by the way. So but I think it's Boğaziçi is better. So it's look like Boğaziçi, ODTÜ, and İTÜ. So there's a third one, right? Yep. So we have get shell on MS SQL right now without Windows authentication, and then it says the task 4. So it say what user is this MS SQL instance running as. So we'll be go hint, and it says get the MS SQL server to read from the SMB host you control and watch for the authentication. No worries, I was just curious about your thoughts. Thanks for the recommendations. Anyway, by the way, which departments are you studying right now? I am studying on the mathematics. So I'm actual mathematician. Doing generally linear algebra, differential equations, or the abstract mathematics I love. But yeah, I love also some hacking stuff, and I'm doing both at the same time. Yeah, I'm not a computer engineer, by the way. I'm just a mathematician and love hacking stuff. So yeah, that's what I can say. Right. So let's do. What user MS SQL instance running as? So before we learn it, it's actually cool like the hand for us. So if you are checking here the help on your to be MS SQL, and if you will see here enable XPCMD shell and disable XPCMD shell or something like that. So definitely we have no access for them all. It's because we are just guess is right now. So I'm gonna be using here crack map exec again for to be LD app. It's maybe we are getting here something different. So I'm gonna be using here LD app, and so we cannot use it here shares dash the shares for sure. Let's continue. Yeah, it's look like work, but this got some errors over here. So that's okay. So what we can do is definitely I always try XP-3. Maybe we haven't accessed Windows system, and then as you can see here, we haven't no access yet. So what we can do, I will definitely go here my website. Then I was doing on Kalanjatu and then was on MS SQL. I'm gonna be show you right now, and it was working like that, but we are the big guess here again. So it's definitely I was using here XP-3-C, and then it is giving us the same thing. So then after that I was extended stored from the Microsoft Windows. So it says you will get system file on this XP file exit appears to be require system admin permissions, but it's definitely it will be giving which one is on right now on this which on the MS SQL services admin. So it's basically you can do is basic things. So let me start it here sudo responder -i to 0, and let me check if it's work for let's see. Alright, where is it? Yeah, it's SQL server. It's on right now. I will be use XP-3, and let's see. I will be use my IP addresses here 10.10.14 42. So need to be using here / and / is for sure, and the second one is here like which one you want to, for example, shares, and then not work. So let's see. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah. Nope. So let's looking for MS SQL server. Right, it's here. Not here. Okay, so let me go back. I will be use. Yeah, this one is work for. I think I am doing something wrong, but I'm not remember which one I read. So XP directory, attacker IP, and anything like that. Yeah, that's same. Let's try attacker IP again. 10 dot, 10 dot, and 14, 42. Not here. Maybe because of this terminal. Let's try here. Nope. Sudo responder dash I. Gonna be try anyway. Yeah. Fuck it. Sudo smb server support. Already in use. What the fuck? Needs to be go ChatGPT. Oh my god, is it something wrong? Sudo kill. Yeah, I did it. Why is it not working? Yeah, it's not work. What I am doing wrong actually. Okay, sudo responder. We'll do it this again. Yeah. Yeah. Let's kill it. No way. Fuck it. Dude. So need to be go here msf console dash q. Be a user. Let's see. Yeah. Do I have any idea how can I fix it? So let's ask this. So maybe there's yeah. Yep. Will we try search responder? Never did it, but I think gonna be work, huh? Sudo kill this one. No, it's not work. What the fuck, bro? Is what's going on right now? It's always on my live stream. I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so it's work right now, I think. Sudo responder. Right. Let's do. Right. So we got it here. Hash, by the way. So to be getting here the hash, so we will be see if it's crackable. So let me save it before And then let's jump in what was our question. So its question is asking what is user MS SQL instead running as. So we're solving here is basically is SQL services. So let's continue and scroll down, and it's asking his right now is a task 5. What is a SQL services user's password? For we learned it, so let's add it on the hash. So then I think we can do here exit clear nano SQL services dot hash. Let's save it here. I'm gonna be use John the Reaper SQL services hash dash wordless user share wordless and rockq.txt. And let's see. Alright, so we are successfully cracked it, and let's continue with this task 6. And then what is Ryan Cooper user's password? It's asking us on the task 6. So if we get here this the password, I'm gonna be adding here on this to be try on crack map exec directly. So I'm gonna be using here as a for sure. We'll be changing here the password first of all, then SQL services. Like here. So let's check if it's work for LD app. Maybe we can create it here. Oh yeah, that's right. So it's working for the LD apps. And then let's checking for is in the most important things. It's which one is Windows RM. Maybe we are getting here the shell or not needed to hear anything more. I will be using here Windows RM again. So now let's see maybe if it's gonna be work. So we are be getting here successfully. Then yes. So we got here the PUNet. And we got SQL services password, and here's to be working on Windows RM. So there's we can directly go here the evil dash Windows RM dash I for IP addresses. I will give it 10, 10, 11, 202, and dash U SQL services and dash P, and for the password I will be give this one. So it's already work for Windows RM, but I want to be creating here Bloodhound. It's because it's already work for LD apps also. So I'm gonna be using here Bloodhound dash Python for the IP addresses. We will be change it and 10, 10, 11, and 202. And for the password, I will be use it's definitely which one is work for LD apps. So it will be Reiki123 running, and for dash user I will be using SQL services. And for domain name, it's it was SQL .htp. Okay, let's continue. As it says, there is a failed to be versus TGT file. It's because we are not working on here. As you can see, is 389. Because we are working on this LD app, so it will be create some JSON file. It's not for us all. So I'm gonna be go here and let's check it. Then yes, we are getting here the shell. I'm gonna use it here directly. Who am I? And then after that, I'm looking for documents, downloads, and desktop. It's asking us here for what is Ryan Cooper use as password. So it's important things where we can find it. So now let's see. Who am I? We are SQL services, and is anything on the documents? There is no. So we'll be go here back and go for there and go for big desktop. And I will be go here ls, nothing here, ls dash hidden, and nothing here anymore. Let's go for C tab. And before this, let's do who am I? Prove. Maybe gotta hear something, but there's nothing important and interesting, right? So I'm gonna be using here again there. And yes, so there's I think we can do here something different. Which one is SQL Server on the C tab? I'm gonna be going here SQL Server here right now. Yeah, there's something we already got here in SQL Express and exe file and the some directory and the logs file. So let's visiting here the logs, and we'll be doing here dir again. So we are getting here error log.back. So anything different on the here, I will be check, and then yeah, we got some the JSON file. Then that means I will be using here Bloodhound right now. Yeah, it's first of all let's start here sudo neo4j console. And I will be doing here again. But anyway, so we are already finding here error log.back. I will be doing here type for this, and then let's do error log that back, maybe something different here, right? Yeah, there's something, the back file is to be backup something. So let's go here. We got some look like to be analyzing it more coolly. I think we can use there, and then let's see, download error log that back. On the Linux, I think we can analyze it more coolly. Then I will be go here, and you will be see here error log is over here. Grab -I for password, and then for to error log that bug, and we are seeing here there's nothing. So it was asking us here Ryan, right? It's because it was here. So what is Ryan Cooper use as password? So I'll be using here sublime text error log back, and let's see, maybe we got here something different. I will be using here Ryan. So yeah, we got here Ryan Cooper, and then password did not match for the login provided. So it's asking here some of the password here. So then it means, so which one we already did here for grab, then I think if I change it here with this one, if it's not work again, right? So it was here, why I don't know why it's not work. Anyway, so yeah, so is it here on the login page, and it's first one and second one. Okay, so login failed for user nuclear mosquito 3. Password did match for that user login provided. So we are getting here new the password. So is which one is equal here, nuclear mosquito 3. So I think I can change it here. So let's change on this guided mode, because we're on the guided mode here. So and then we are getting here. Then after that we can submit it to user flag. So let's write it directly. Definitely we will be using here crack map exec Windows RM with this password and with to username Ryan Cooper. So I will be do it again. Ryan dot Cooper, right? Not sure. Yeah. So let's continue. Oh yeah, so we are having access Windows RM here. So then I think we can exit here and go for same thing in evil Windows RM on Ryan Cooper. I'm gonna be giving here this or new password for Ryan Cooper for our username. So let's continue. Maybe get here something different. So yeah, on the deer on the documents we are getting here nothing. Anyway, so we were starting here the bloodhound. So let's start here directly, and I want to check what is next question. So let's asking us here just two questions we have to be answering here. What is the name of the vulnerable ADCS template on Escape? So we are basically understand we have to be running here certify. I have a really great certified PDF. I'm gonna be share you today with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna be go here again, and then why and preview, and then what it says, and then it says there's nothing look like important. So I'm gonna be go here the C tab, I go for the deer, and there's nothing look like too much important for us. So anyway, so it's asking what's the name of vulnerable ADCS template. So I'm gonna go here, and then open here certified pre-open VPN. So ONET PDF, sorry. So this is I think you will be getting here everything on the internet. You will be find the best PDF file for the certify. So it's everything understand you will be accessible here to be getting here. And actually I think I have to be shared with you. So let me share right here, right. So let's continue with it, guys. I think you will be understanding the fastly. So the everything is for you have to be understood, but we have no time to be read them all at the stream for sure. But it's basically understand everything to be you can read file 0 to 50. At this 50 we are jumping here to be how we can do it actually. So it's like an adventure mode. So then yes, so certify covers situation again. The certify exit find client authentication command will query LDAP available templates and match above criteria. So it's over here. So is everything about it's try to be teach us how we can find the certify exit. So for sure I'm gonna be calling here certify dot exe. Alright, so my certify exe is over here, so I'm gonna be copy here and I will be using let me go here. Okay, so it's asking us here certify ask a request, and then DC you have to be giving your the CA name. So we are already finding here CA name, and we are just going to be use it. So let me go here program data and upload my certify exam, so it will be useful. I'm going to use it here upload certify exam, and then let's try to be use it. So, and after, for example, he's using here the tools, right? But we are going to be using here program data. So let me actually use what it actually uses here. The first of all, the for to be certify exe, you may want to be go here. So it's for how you can use it with certify. If you have no time to for to be certify exe, and you will be do here with the certify. But I'm going to be using here certify exe. I think I am more comfortable with this. Then yes, I think that was all the my everything I trying to be understand. So that's great. So you will be using here escalation 1 2 3 4 5. Anyway, so let's use it certify exam. I'm gonna be using here certify exam, and then for example he's using here as the request to be SA name. First of all, I'm gonna be using here find and vulnerable. So this command will help you to be get here if there is something vulnerable. So then, as you can see here, action finding certification templates definitely is giving us some more information about this ADCS attack right now. Then I think this is really important. So on for example, only here enterprise CA name and the DNS host name and full name. So everything you need to be got. So for example, if you want to be running here, you have to be running before. Then it's because you have to be needed here full name and DNS host name and everything on this here. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna be copy it. What the fuck? It's here. Okay, so let's go here, right? So it will show you vulnerable certificate templates. Will be giving us here right now, right? But it will be say us here this is not vulnerable. But you need to be understanding here is everything. So the for the templates will help you to be run your commands as a first of all. The second time you need to be do here. The after you learning here is everything is over here with your domain admin, enterprise admin, and administrator. You need to be go here right now. So already is giving here SID and to be so it's access rights. So we are allow manage certificates on manage certificates is here as domain admins. So you'll be see here, and we have an allow all to manage certificates on built-in administrator. So let's see if it could be to be injectable. So I'm gonna be go here. Which command they are actually giving us here. So it was need to be here, right? Okay, so gonna be copy it. So it will already is giving us here on this PDF file. So let's do this. So let's copy here. So that's right. So the certify exe is definitely same, and the requesting here an SA server. So for example, here's your SA server is DC dshar.locale. I think that's okay, it's not too much important, but you need to be here SI server name. So gotta be go here, you need to be finding here the server name. It's need to be everything you have to be found here, it's over there. So I'm gonna be using here dcsecure.htp. I'm gonna go here and then SA server as is equal dcsecure.htp. And you need to be here at SA name. And alright, so we find here SA name is here. So it's need to be added here like that, I think. dcsql.htp and then SA name is SQL and -dc-sa. So that was all, right? So the last things here. So we need to be here template name. So then how we can find here the template name? So our template name is here equal to user authentication. So we just need to be remove it and just give it. So the template name was here to be user, but or is user authentication. So let's try to be run it here, and then let's see what we are getting back. And I think it's gonna be awesome. So all right, so there is no more certified exe. I'm gonna be uploaded again. Then we'll be continuing again. That's because the HackTheBox deleting scripts so fastly. That's why there is no certified exe. So that's right. So with current user contacts, we are getting back here as a Ryan Cooper. As a template, as everything is, yeah, we are using here user authentication, and then certificate authority is dcsql.htp. It's over here. So we are just waiting for need to be getting here to cert PAM. So we need to be save them on our Kali Linux, and then the result will be certified and the private key, the PAM file formatted block of text. So then yeah, right. So we are already getting here cert PAM. So I'm gonna be using here the both. So not for just one. Okay, so you have to be get them both. I'm gonna be using here the cert PAM. I'm gonna go here and let's add it here as nano, and let's cert.pam. I'm gonna be using here. So by the way, after that it will say the result will be certificates to private key the PAM formatted block of text. So you can transform this into PVX compatible with reviews using previously discussed commands is OpenSSL, PKC12, insert PAM, KX, CSP, Microsoft, and enhanced cryptographic provider, and then export off of cert PVX. So then it's basically we are understanding here we need to be converted the or PAM to be PVX. So what we can do, just use it here as the converting is to PVX. We are using here OpenSSL. But you're definitely not needed it. So if you already be scroll down, and you will be see here convert with this one. I'm gonna be using here directly. Okay, it's look like more, but those are same. It's not important. I think I'm gonna be doing here. Okay, so enter export password. I think those are the most important things you have to be doing. So if you're giving here some password, this PVX file save on your system with your password, but you cannot use this password on Windows system because it's not your system, right? So you need to be giving null for this password. So let's check it here. So my something wrong. So okay, cert.pf. Okay, PVX need to be for sure. So right now my cert PVX is already done here. So just need to be uploaded here. So anyway, so let's scroll down here, and then one can upload the PVX to targets, then be reviews to TGT for enrolled user for as long as certified is valid. Remember, the default certificate's lifetime is 1 year. So what we need to be do, just need to be uploaded here or PVX file, and just run it here with reviews exam. I'm gonna be using here again. Okay, let's use it here upload cert.pvx. Then need to be just run it here to be reviews exam as the user. So let me call it here the dir, and my cert PVX is done. It's already here. So the next one we just need to be do. We have just now here PVX file, and to everything we need to be do here just now for which certificate we need to be do. We are just trying to be go here to administrator. So that means we are going for the, if we are going for the administrator, we just need here reviews exam. I'm gonna be go here again, locate reviews that exe. All right, so it's already here. So I'm gonna be called here cp, and then or reviews exe is over here. All right, so let's upload them here and then run or command. So it's basically we need to be uploaded here reviews exam. So what could be our command? So let's discussing about it. So all right, so we're gonna be using here reviews.exe. That's all fine. So what we need to be doing here is ask TGT or to everything, right? So we need to be using here ask TGT. Where was it? Okay, ask TGT. And then let's go here. So what it's, for example, added here as a user is harmjoy, but our user is not harmjoy. We are trying to be get here administrator, right? I'm gonna be go here to be users, and then let's change it with administrator. And yeah, that's need to be do have to be do here. Okay. So then after that, it says or to be you have to be given here certificate. So I'm gonna be go here for certificate, and or certificate it's on the C program data, and we are calling him assert.pvx, right? I think that's all. And yeah, it's we just need to be giving here the password. Yeah, we have a new password here. It's just too basic. You just can do here ptt and no wrap. I'm gonna go here. Okay, let's continue with it. Then maybe we can get it here something different. Ruby's exe is okay. So I'm gonna be using here upload rubyuse.exe, then upload cert.pvx. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe it's yeah, it's deleting for HackTheBox always cert.pvx. Let's run it. All right, so the action is ask tgt, and its size for not work. Can we go here? Maybe need to be changed here with just cert pvx, huh? Cert pvx and ptt no wrap. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna be go here upload again. All right, rubyuse.exe, then we'll be try here again directly. Rubyuse exe ask tgt for administrator, and certificate is cert pvx, and ptt for no wrap. Okay, that's all. Okay, let's see. Dear upload cert.pvx. It's deleting again. Gonna go here dear again, and let's see with fastly. I hope we will get here the password. Upload cert.pvx dear, then upload rubyuse.exe, right. Let's see. Dear, I'm gonna go here. I hope it's gonna be work. Oh my god, why is we are getting this error? Yeah, everything's look like fine. I wonder what it's xdf user here. I think is everything's look like fine. No, it's we need to be go tags and then escape. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he is doing on the Linux. That's fine, but I just want to be do it on, yeah, these are same for be creating here administrator file, right? Certify exit to be do it. He is running here this one, I think, right? Let's see. I'm not sure why it's working like that, but it's need to be work, I think. Let's see. Maybe can get something here, huh? Okay, so we can successfully get pvx. Then it's because when we are running certpy, but it's basic. So why we cannot do on Linux machine? I'm not sure. Yeah, that's hilarious, you know. Let's checking for this one. It was need to be something here. Yeah. Anyway, so let's do certpy dash authentication on administrator pvx was like certify which was I was using here. Oh yeah, certify authentication dash pvx on administrator pvx, right? Yeah, that was all. I hope it's not gonna be work because I wanna be show how we can fix it. I'm not sure why it's not work, bro. Okay, if it's not work, we can use nc pdate-s sql.htp. It was not nspdate. Okay, it was mp. What was it? Nsdate. What was it? Mp date. Nope. Okay, it was mp date-s, I think. No. Let's ask. Hilarious, the live stream, we got too many error right now. It was not ntp date. Oh, it's not installed. Yeah. ntp date-s sql.htp. Then let's use it again. Alright, so we are successfully get hash for admin here right now. Then as you can see here, this one will gonna be work, and then I will be used here directly. Evil Windows RM. The for be user will be used here administrator, and then -h. Let's use it. Right, so we are successfully administrator right now. If you can call it here who am I, then you will be see here you are administrator. So that was cool. I just want to be show you in this stream the for my certify to be PDF I always using, but there is something wrong. That's okay, and we are getting it with certify, not with certify.exe, but it's need to be work. I don't know why it's not work. Maybe something wrong on this machine. That was all I have to be talking about right now, and thank you for watching. So I'm gonna be close my stream, and I'll